This is Mo Speaks, where we explore Caribbean heritage through food, history, and storytelling. In this moment, we celebrate the Caribbean rain. Clouds move like marching bands, casting shadows across the lands. Heavy with water they can't contain, they pour down showers of rain. Some greet the ground with a kiss, it exhales a dusty mist. Some fall on branches of trees, from their leaves crystals drip free. Roof awakes with 1,000 patters, cries of raindrops begin to chatter. Life givers to rivers and streams, the land renewed a field of green. Familiar scents flow through the air, grandma's cooking, her calming voice I hear. In the pot, the soup bubbling hot, a few bowls just to hit the right spot. The children come out to play, happy at home on a rainy day. I can feel my spirits lift, for the rain is a beautiful gift. Rain means a lot to us as Caribbean people. With roots steeped in West African culture, it represents a symbol of rebirth and fertility, of our bodies, our minds, of the sacred land on which we live. For many, it was a time of pleasant childhood memories, whether it was curling up under the warm sheets, sharing stories, or having heartfelt conversations. If you share a connection with this poem, like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what pleasant memories do you have of the Caribbean rain? Thank you again for listening. This is Mo Speaks. Peace.